Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today's video, I am going to be showing you 10 Amazon finds that I absolutely can't live without anymore. The first item on my list is this spray and wash. It is a laundry stain remover, and I hope my husband finds this endearing, still in the years to come. But I tend to spill, but it is an absolute must-have, and it is available on Amazon. So the next item or items, they are also for the laundry, and they are these mesh bags. The package comes in a variety of sizes, and they're perfect to just be able to throw into the wash, and that way when you're done you don't have to worry about separating, and it just has made life a lot easier. Next on the list is this electrical lighter. Now, if you are an Amazon junkie and you watch these Amazon videos, these Amazon must-haves, then you have probably more than likely seen this. I thought I have to try it, and I'm telling you, it is not a gimmick. It is amazing. When you press it, sends this electrical current that if you put it right over the wick of your candle, it ignites it. It lights it up. And the next item is this long iPhone cord. They are incredibly inexpensive compared to the ones that you buy from Apple. They work amazing, and it's just such a convenience to be able to have this extra long cord. I believe that they're 10 feet long, but I got this rose gold color. I just love it. Next is this heating pad. It helps tremendously when I have cramps. And then also just when you have a sore back or a sore muscle, this is so perfect. It is so comforting. Of course, you have to use it with all the safety precautions. It's not cordless. It does have this remote, I suppose, or these controls on and off, and then you just click the button and then it'll select the heat. It's high, medium, or low. I usually use low or medium. I never really go to the high. It does have an auto shut off. This has just become such a lifesaver and such a comfort, especially, whenever you're in pain. Next might seem super random, but I can't live without it. So I just have come to the conclusion that I run cold, and it is so hard for me to fall asleep when I'm cold. Unfortunately, once I fall asleep, my body turns into an oven, but before that and during the day, I run cold. This is perfect. It is a portable heater, and it oscillates. It has different controls. It also has timers so that you can select 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours, and it is just amazing. It is a lifesaver. This baby, and it's small, is so powerful, and I would not have been able to survive. If you need a portable heater, that bad boy is it. The next one is for all my short girls or guys. The next item on my list is this stool. What is amazing about it is that it folds compact so that you can just slide it into, a little nook or cranny, and it doesn't take up that much space. This is one of the longer ones. I know that they have shorter ones. They definitely have shorter ones, but I use it almost every single day, and I can't recommend it enough. So these next items are kitchen items, and so I have to do this quickly because one of them is melting. But the first item that I am absolutely obsessed with is this glass container. Ooh, you can see the reflection. But it's this glass container. It has this silicone bottom, which is so great for grip. It also has this beautiful wooden top, and then it secures tightly, so you know it helps with keeping the rice fresh and you know keeping anything out of the container. I absolutely love this. There are so many different sizes, but I was really looking for an aesthetically pleasing container to hold my rice. Obviously, I didn't want to leave like all the rice in just an open bag. And so when I was online searching, this is what I found, and I have absolutely no regrets. And it is so pretty. This next piece is melting because it's supposed to be in the freezer, but we don't have an ice machine, and so I needed an ice tray. I found this hexagon ice tray, so they're little hexagons, and what I really was looking for was ones that had a lid like this, just to keep the tray covered, because I was finding that, you know, if you have ones that are just left open, then like stuff can fall into it, and that just seemed, after a little bit of thought, gross. So I was so happy when I found this. I think it's so cute. It's obviously a little melty now, but it covers the whole thing. It's a pack of 2, and then they just stack right on top of each other, and it saves space, and then I don't have to worry about like crumbs of something that I have in the freezer falling into it at all. I know that, you know, when they are frozen solid, what you can do is you just run it under hot water, and then it'll, you know, give it a little bit of flexibility, and then they just pop right out. So this is awesome, and it's one of my favorite little things, and I love that they're hexagon, like little honeycombs, so it's so cute. This last one on my list is this silicone baking sheet. Now, I was very late to the game with this one, and the reason that I even like went searching for this was because I noticed that we were running through a lot of aluminum foil, and so I really wanted to figure out a way to like reduce the amount of those products that I was using. And so then I saw this product, and it is just like by Amazon Basics. It also comes in a pack of 2. Now the sizes, you know, I'm sure you can find different sizes. This does run a little bit over the edges of my traditional baking sheet, but honestly, it's so worth it. And you can just wash it with warm water. That's what I do. I do it by hand. And it's a game changer. So I hope you found this video helpful, and that, you know, maybe one of these items is something that you didn't know you needed. And I have all of these items linked down below so that you guys can access them and find them easily. And remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know some of your Amazon favorites. I'd love to hear your suggestions. You know, I love just scrolling through Amazon, probably more than I do on social media. So I am so excited to hear what you guys have to say, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.